A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. If you are one of God pitney, I mean say, if you accept and believe say Jesus, a God boy pitney, and him a live inside of you. You ever wonder if the demon them will walk pan earth out there, recognize you when they see you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here so. Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 3 from verse 7 to verse 12. Then Jesus and him follower them left out and go down at the sea, and one whole heap of people from Galilee follow him. And from Judea, Jerusalem, Idumea, over the other side of River Jordan, around Tyre and Sidon, whole heap more people come to him when them hear about the sitting them, what him did do. Sake of the crowd, Jesus tell him follow them to get one little boat ready for him so that the crowd wouldn't push hard against him. Cause through him did heal enough of them, all of the sick people them did a push and I try to get close so them could have touch him. And people will have demon in them. Anytime the demon them see Jesus, them fling down themselves and bawl out, say, you are God boy pitney. But Jesus would have warned the demon them, so they mustn't tell nobody about him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.